Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase from Amazon. This is the Battery Daddy. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos, but I like doing these unboxings just to remember stuff I've bought over the years and to help anybody else out there who might be thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's the quality like, etc. So I wasn't even shopping for this thing. It popped up on one of my ads, and I thought the idea was pretty cool, so I thought I'd check it out, especially for the price. It's very reasonably priced, and they're kind of like me. This is what I do now. I have all of my batteries just thrown into an old cooler, so I thought this would give me some kind of organization in terms of batteries. So it's supposed to hold 180 batteries. Let's go ahead and open it, take a look at it. It's basically a kind of like a tackle box, toolbox, designed just to hold some batteries. As they're shown on this picture here, you've got one side. Let me open this. It really just holds AA batteries. And then you can close that side. And then you've got another side that holds various different size batteries. Sorry, there's kind of a glare. And that's where you can put in AAA batteries, AA batteries, D cell, C cell, so on and so forth. And then they give you a battery tester that you can keep in there as well. 9-volt batteries, so on and so forth. And I'm assuming this little piece here is for you to keep watch batteries or other things that don't fit in these other slots. Quality seems to be pretty good. I mean, plastic's nice and sturdy. Clips feel good. Size is nice. It's not too big, not too small. It should be pretty easy to store. Not a whole lot to show you, but that's an unboxing of the Battery Daddy. I hope the video helps.